The Village of Five Poles. Author Mukesh, Maviya. Illustrator Proiti Roy. One day, in a sleepy village with no electricity, the electricity department decided to put up electricity poles. The villagers were excited. Every day, a big pit was dug out for each pole. The entire village would gather and watch. Ropes were used to pull up the poles. The villagers helped lift the poles into the pits. Even the kids pulled the ropes with all their might. HAYYIIISHHHHHAAAAA! Once the poles were up, the electricity department team vanished. Every day, the villagers would wait for them to come back and finish their work. All they could talk about was how excited they were to get electricity. The villagers began climbing up the poles. The poles gave them a perfect view of their surroundings and faraway villages. Days passed with no sign of the electricity department team. One evening, a little child took a lantern from her house. She climbed up one of the poles and hung the lantern on top. Everyone noticed the lovely bright lantern on top of the pole. The next evening, the villagers hung lanterns from all 5 poles. Every day, lanterns were taken down, refueled, and hung back up again. Then, even without electricity, the nearby villages could spot this little village from afar at night. They began calling it the Village of Five Poles.
Hey there! Don't forget to like and share this video. And please leave your comments below.